So it's a good time then to welcome on board Mr. Nadir B. Godrej. He's the Chairman and Managing Director at Godrej Industries and also the Chairman at Godrej Agrovet. Hi, Mr. Godrej. Thanks so much for making time and speaking with us today. Appreciate you making time. First things first, let's discuss what's happened in October to November, and that's the surge in the palm oil prices. They had surged a bit, but then there has been a bit of a volatility. They have corrected a bit of late as well. What's the sense on the prices going forward? Are they expected to be as volatile, or what are the levels that you're watching out for, sir?
Right. This has been a very unusual situation because palm oil has had a huge premium over soybean oil, which we had not seen in the past. It was always a discounted oil, but it's in high demand nowadays for both biodiesel as well as for specialty fats. And that's keeping palm oil at a premium to the other oils. It was even at a premium to rapeseed oil and sunflower oil for a while, and a big premium to soybean oil. We do expect some bullish factors still to play out, like Ramzan, but we are expecting big Latin American soybean oil crops, so that will moderate the bullishness. And by June, we will see a more normal situation for palm oil, where it won't be at a premium over soybean oil. But the weather is playing tricks on us. Climate change is causing a lot of disruption in agriculture, so it's very difficult to predict.
Okay, Mr. Godrej, thanks for you coming in. This is Snehi also joining in. Give us a sense of what the animal feed segment is looking like right now, because favorable commodity positions and cost optimization measures have aided the performance of the animal feed segment over the last few quarters to some extent. Will increased efficiency aid margins for this segment going ahead as well? And what's the margin profile that you are targeting when it comes to animal feed?
We expect good margins in the animal feed sector. We have invested a lot in R&D for animal feed. It makes the feed lower cost and more efficient, so the environmental impact is also less. And we are very pleased with our efforts in this area. So even with high commodity prices, we hope to have good margins because of the efficiency of our feeds.
Okay, thanks for the view coming in. Also share with us your outlook on the dairy segment. Are you on track to achieve the VAP share of 40% in FY25?
Yes, we have had good traction in increasing the value-added portion in our dairy business, and we expect that trend to continue.
Okay, so that's the outlook coming in as far as the dairy segment is concerned. But what about Aztec? Because that has been facing short-term hurdles when it comes to the enterprise business, even CDMO for that matter. Has that segment recovered at all in this quarter?
There is still problems in the CDMO sector as well as the enterprise products. And we cannot discuss about the quarter at this early stage right now.
No, I appreciate that perhaps you can't give us too many details as of the quarter, but the fact that the recovery is still not in sight is a bit of a worrying factor. But what about the domestic crop protection business then? Because there has been erratic rainfall, weather patterns have been all over the place, and that of course has been impacting the herbicides category as well. Any improvement in this quarter?
Directionally speaking, crop protection is doing very well because the situation in India is quite good. And we're also expecting good Rabi crops. So we think crop protection will continue to do well. The business has got their act together. They no longer have outstandings. So all this is helping the business significantly.
Okay, Mr. Godrej, thanks for that. But we did speak about individual segments and the outlook of what you're expecting going into the next year. But at an aggregate level, if you could help us understand what is your overall outlook for the year that's going to come ahead?
Overall for Godrej Agrovet, the outlook is good. Other than Aztec, all the other businesses seem to be firing well. Oil palm seems to have a very bright future. The government's new oil palm policy is excellent, and we would hope that more and more states sign up for it. And we ourselves have been allocated areas in Gujarat in 3 districts. We are working with Odisha as well. We are going to put up a palm processing mill in Tripura, which will be our second oil palm mill in the Northeast. We already have one in Mizoram. So we expect good expansion in Gujarat, Odisha, Telangana, and in the Northeast. And of course, we have always been very well established in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, sir, but on an overall basis, also talk to us about the chemical business of Godrej Industries. What are some of the key things to watch out for? What's the outlook for the chemical business also heading into 2025?
Godrej Industries chemicals business is on a good track, and we are going more and more into specialty products, one of which is sophorolipids, for which we see a bright future. Our specialty products are doing well, and both fatty acids and fatty alcohols are doing reasonably well, and the trend is good.
Okay, on that optimistic note, we'll let you go. Thanks, Mr. Godrej, for making time and speaking with us. So that's the latest coming in on Godrej Agrovet as well as Godrej Industries.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.